Jump truck. I'll check the engine oil in her. Good for another couple thou. Probably frozen in there, not gonna lie. Or nothing. It works too. Got dual electric fans for a reason in this cold air intake. Need petrol now. Can't go far without petrol. Oh, fuck, we need one other thing. We need petrol, and fucking Sean stole my fuel pump fucking control module once again. So we need to go find one of them. And we need to get petrol. And we need a gas can. Buddy, I had a VP can back here last year. I know there ain't no fucking coolant jugs back here with coolant in them. Oh, I'm a good gas can. All we're gonna do, come right over this fucking VMAX, because you know, ain't no fucking snow left to ride a goddamn snowmobile. Unless you want to make a fucking fool of yourself. There's a little bit of coolant in there, that'd be good for it. Good old 93 fucking race octane gas. Whatever the fuck. Whew. A little bit of a mouthful and a nose full, but you know, the more times you spill it, the better you get. Let's hopefully get enough time to go back and grab that. By sounds of it, we're gonna need a fucking jump. What am I going for? This bad girl right here. Yeah, that's mine. You can tell because I go mudding, covered in dirt. Suppose we'll pick back up when we're chucking this bullshit in. Oh, boys.
Oh boy, this is a bad idea.
Yeah, did you call? Did you call?
Did I call?
Yeah, did you fucking call?
Yeah.
Why?
This is a bad idea.
No, it's not. You're a bad idea.
I'm up Shit's Creek with no paddle.
Shit's Creek with no paddle. Well, you ought to start swimming, boy.
What?
You ought to start swimming, boy.
Oh, I can't. I'll call you if something bad happens. I can't even hear you. My cab's throwing it way too bad.
Boom. Just like that. So this is some good. You make sure you want to put clean quality gas in your rigs, because it's good for it. Make sure you get some of that mud. See, what do you want to do? An old timer taught me this trick. You tip her up backwards. She don't have no choice but to take her. Well, maybe she can't take that much. It's good for the ground, the grass. Make your grass grow fast. It's like chicken high speed feed. Funnel would be fucking dope though. I do suppose some of it's getting in there. Yeah, let's lay right in the fucking dog shit in a puddle. Been so long since I drove one of these, I don't even know how to plug the cocksucker in. We're gonna find the fuck out though, right here, first hand. What the fuck, bro? Just like that, I'd say. Let her hang. Fuck yeah, brother. Just like that, brother, man. Didn't even touch the dog shit. Wonder if we got enough battery life to make this shit happen. Helpful. Yeah, you son of a bastard. Don't worry, we'll grab the fucking... Scratch all that nonsense. Let's boost this motherfucker. What the fuck? Fucking murder weapon. This thing doesn't even have an exhaust under it. Holy fuck, we got some fucking battery voltage. That ain't good. What the fuck was that noise? What the actual shit? I don't think I like steel 14 volts. Not gonna lie. Oh, the starter's locked up. What the fuck? Is my starter still there? So take 14 volts away from it for a second. Volts is a lot for a 4.8 Chevy. What do we got now? I know what we got going on. We got a bad connection. Slippery. And I have a solution to it, I think. Look at this stupid fucking Mexican importing into my backyard. He's carrying a car battery. But he looks like Jake Sherbrooke coming across the fucking yard. Too bad you can't zoom on a GoPro, bud. His battery died. Good thing I got 24 volt charger. Hey, this pushes out like fucking 24 volts, bud. 14. Huh? Well, you want to see it fucking climb? I'll show you something, boy. Yeah, try starting it again. That's making sizzling noises. Yeah, don't do that again. Kind of like a fucking nuclear reactor explode or something there, bud. And come over on the Mayflower. I need a piece of copper like I did last time. Or a fucking wrench. I need an 8mm. We just started it yesterday. I haven't started this since we filmed the last jug video.
Oh.
And then it run out of gas.
You want me to
No. I ain't got no gears anyways. There's no drive shaft.
So.
Fucking Nathan fucked my balance all up. Man, this thing needs catalytic converters cut off it. Dude, why is it so like... Dude, half fucking people's dailies don't idle this quiet. No lift or tick at all, bud. Fuck your 5.3 Vortec. I suppose I'll let her run for a little bit. Check tranny fluid, see what that looks like. Make sure she ain't going trans on us. Wipe that off. Ain't even bad for a 4L60, bud. Keep adding that .3 brake fluid to it, she'll never slip.
Is your crankshaft one about to come off or what?
Dude, the fucking crank bearings in this thing are probably gone. Yeah, harmonic balancer bar to leave the chat. Dude, this thing has 320,000 miles on it. What do you expect? Fucking alternator look like somebody fucking shit out. Beat it with a fucking hammer. All reliable.
Fucking AJ.
Well, hey, they built the hard part for us. I've done that before. There's some volts in that battery. That's why I always do the closest to the fender first.
Yeah, no doubt. That was
Or the ground.
that was spicy. Holy fuck. Wow, that fucking lit me up good. Come on, you fuck.
That's from touching the fender with the wrench.
Yeah.
See that flash though.
Michael, get a video of this shit. Oh, I got purple cab lights.
Purple cab lights.
Yeah, I got purple cab lights. Fucking Josh Archer style, boys. under there.
Choppy.
bolts for it. Buddy, that's a fucking cam right there, boys.
In case you guys are wondering, we got drones up in the sky watching us.
Hell yeah,
We
brother.
all just watch that clear down the spotlight.
Amen.
Circle you.
Amen, brother.
Dude, who got their finger on the fan?
God bless CLS, brother.
You guys see all that blood? It's at our TV.
Probably RTV, but Josh Archer.
There were too many flashlights.
Holy fuck, Bob.
I think the trans fluid's supposed to be that color.
Oh, she's a little milky.
Yeah, why?
Nah, it's okay. I knew that trans from you. He said the trans does flare shift in this, so.
What the fuck is going
Trans
on
swap.
with that?
Me and you.
He's got
this
a
weekend.
plate welded to that.
Don't mind the header, bro.
Dude, what the fuck?
What are you
Dude,
bro?
just buy eBay headers.
Holy fuck.
Dude, that fired right up, too.
It did. I'm surprised no one's put Starlight in it yet.